Hold on tight. We have a great Around the House show coming up this weekend. Help us out and subscribe on your favorite podcast player. Now that it's November, Eric G and John Dudley discuss the latest safety upgrades for your home or job site. There is some new technology that can save your home before the fire starts, and it might end up being free for you. Plus, you get to hear some of their accidents that could have ended up really badly.
Whenever I'm doing projects, I have these drawer boxes that were cabinet samples that are like these maple dovetail drawer boxes with bins in them that were for samples. What's great for putting all your parts and pieces in to get it all put together and awesome. I landed on that in a fire extinguisher. I bent the handle with the pin in it that it still went off. So I had fire extinguisher went off for about 2 seconds. So I had powder everywhere. And I'm laying on the ground going, oh, I did it this time. I broke my hip. Then I did the old self-check. Oh, I lifted my leg up as I'm laying flat on the ground. I'm like, oh, all right, just a bad bruise. I think I'm good. Then I got up and I went, what's with my knee? And yeah, I stuck my knee and cracked my tibia on that one. So even a stupid...
You have family coming over for the holidays? Even that dreaded mother-in-law wanting to know what you have done to the house this last year? We have some great, easy projects to make you look like you might have done more than you actually did.
If you're having people over at the house, here are 2 steps that I recommend. 1, get a really good toilet for the public bathroom that's off the living area. So when your uncle comes over and is going to go just destroy the bathroom, you have something you're not going to need a plunger on. And go get a nice Toto toilet. Get in there something that's not going to clog up, because there's nothing worse than a guest coming over and plugging up the toilet and then having to deal with that. Everybody's embarrassed. It smells horrible. And then put in a good bath fan.
That sounds like the voice of experience speaking.
Yes. Oh, I used to have the mother-in-law that would come over and decide to help it clean up. And it didn't matter if I had 1,000 horsepower garbage disposal. She'd plug that thing up. She was good at that.
Nice.
And I'm like, what are you doing? That's a $600 garbage disposal.
All that and more on Saturday's Around the House show with Eric G. If you work in the trades or construction or design business, check out the Around the House Pro Insider podcast. That is back. Just find it on your favorite podcast player. If you want to hear more, listen right here on this podcast player to find out the answers. That's a wrap, folks. Another wild ride of home maintenance mayhem and project starting swagger in the books. Huge thanks to our awesome audience for tuning in. You're the real MVPs, keeping us on air while we dodge rogue ladders and those ancient website crashes. Catch you this Saturday for more laughs, tips, and maybe a few questionable DIY decisions. Until then, keep your hammers swinging and your Wi-Fi strong. See you soon. Hey, I'm producer Jim from Around the House with Eric G. I work with Eric every day, so trust me when I say he's got the best home improvement tips on YouTube. He'll teach you how to fix your house, save money, and avoid those oops moments, like the time he almost glued himself to a countertop. Seriously, if you own a home, or just like watching a guy who might set off the smoke detector, you need to subscribe to at Around the House Eric G. Because if Eric's not helping you, I guarantee he's breaking something, and you don't want to miss that. You won't be disappointed.